Hello students, before class we discussed exercise 1.3 and we successfully completed it. My channel name is Khandesh Srinit. In this session I am going to discuss you that what are identities, law of exponents and what is surd. First identities. First identity a plus b whole square is equals to a square plus 2ab plus b square. See here, I have one doubt here. A plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Is these two are equal? Let us take one example. Let a is equals to 2 and b is equals to 3. Let us take example. A plus b whole square, no. A means 2. B plus b means 3. 2 plus 3 whole square is equal to a square means 2 square plus 2 into ab na. 2 into 3 plus b square means 3 square. See here 2 plus 3, 5 square. 2 square means 2 into 2. 2 into 2 means 4. 2 into 2 into 3 means 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. 3 square means 3 into 3. 3 3s are 9. 9. 5 square is equals to 25. 4 plus 12 plus 9, 25. See here LHS is equals to RHS. So the given identity is LHS is equals to RHS. Next, a minus b whole square is equals to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Let us take example a is equals to 4 and b is equals to 5. 4 minus 5 is whole square is equals to a square means 4 square minus 2 into 4 b. What is b given here? 5 plus b square means 5 square. 4 minus 5 square means 4 minus 5. 5 is greater. So what is sign here? Minus. So we have to keep minus here. 4 minus 5 minus 1. Minus 1 whole square is equals to 4 square 16. 4 square means 4 into 4 16. Minus 2 4s are 8. 8 5s are 40. 5 square 25. 5 into 5 25. Minus 1 whole square is equals to 16 minus 40 plus 25. 16 plus 25 minus 40. Let us take positive signs here and my negative signs there. Minus 1 whole square means minus 1 into minus 1. 16 plus 25, 41 minus 40. 41 minus 40, 1. Minus into minus plus. 1 ones are 1. So LHS is equals to RHS. So the given identity a minus b whole square is equals to a square minus 2ab plus b square is true. Next a plus b into a minus b is equals to a square minus b square. Let us take, let a is equals to 5 and b is equals to 6. 5 plus 6 into a minus b means 5 minus 6 is equals to a square means 5 square minus b square means 6 square. 5 square is nothing but 5 into 5 25. 6 square is nothing but 6 into 6 25. See 5 plus 6 11. 5 minus 6 minus 1. 5 square means 25. 6 square means 36. 11 into minus 1 minus 11. 25 minus 36 minus 11. LHS is equals to RHS. So the given identity is true. See next a plus b into c plus d. A plus b into c plus d for what is formula here? AC plus AD plus BC plus BD. Let a is equals to 1, b is equals to 2, c is equals to 3, d is equals to 4. A plus b means 1 plus 2, c plus d means 3 plus 4 is equals to a means 1, c means 3, 1 into 3 plus a means 1, d means 4, 1 into 4 plus bc means 2 into 4, bd means 2 into 4. Understand? 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 4, 7. 1 3s are 3. 1 4s are 4. 2 3s are 6. 2 4s are 8. 7 3s are 21. 3 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8 is equals to 21. So LHS is equals to RHS. The given identity is LHS is equals to RHS. Next, root AB is equals to root A into root B. Let A is equals to 2 and B is equals to 3. Root A means 2. B means 3. 2 into 3. See, in this gap there is no sign. We have to take into. 2 into 3 is equals to root A into root B. Root 2 into root 3. Understand? Like this we have to write. Whole root A by B. We have to separate it. Root A by root B. Let A is equals to 2 and B is equals to 3. Whole root 2 by 3 is equals to root 2 by root 3. So we have to separate it. So we are separating it. Next, law of exponents. First law of exponent is a power m into a power n is equals to a power m plus n. See, this a is same. So we have to take only one, m plus n. M and n are different. So we have to, sign should be different here, m plus n. Let us take a is equals to 2, m is equals to 3 and n is equals to 4. A power m into a power n is equals to a power m plus n. A means 2. 2 power m means 3. 2 power 3 into 2 power n means 4. 2 power 4 is equals to m, a power m plus n. No. A means 2. M means 3. N means 4. 3 plus 4. 2 power 3 plus 4 is equals to 3 plus 4 means 7. 2 power 7 is nothing but 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 2 times 7 is nothing but 128. Next, a power m by a power n is equals to a power m minus n. Let us take a is equals to 2, m is equals to 4 and n is equals to 2. A power m by a power n is equals to a power m minus n. What is given a here? 2. M 4. 2 power 4 by a, what is given here? 2. 2. N what is given here? 2. 2 power 2. 2 power a is equals to a power m minus n. What is given here? 2. 2. A value 2 no. M minus n means 4 minus 2. 4 minus 2 means 2. 2 power 2 is nothing but 2 into 2 is equals to 4. Understand? Like this we have to solve the problems. Next, a power m into whole power n. A power n whole power n is equals to a power m into n. We have to multiply this m and n and we have to keep like that only a. Let a is equals to 2, m is equals to 3 and n is equals to 4. A power m into whole power n is equals to a power m into n. What is given a here? 2. Power what is given here? Power 3. Whole power n means 4 is equals to 2. 3 4s means we have to multiply here. See here. M into n no. 3 into 4. 3 4s are 12. 2 power 12. We have to write it 2 12 times. 2 into 2 into 2 into like this we have to write 12 times and we have to multiply it. By multiplying we get 1024. Next, AB whole power m is equals to a power m and b into b power m. See this, there are two numbers here. What are that? A and b. Whole power n. We have to separate it. A power m into whole power b power m. Let us take a is equals to 2, b is equals to 3 and m is equals to 4. AB whole power m is equals to a power m into b power m. AB means 2 into 3. AB means a into b, nothing but 2 into 3 whole power m means 4. 2 3s are 6. 6 power 4. 6 power means 4 means 6 into 6 into 6 into 6. Nothing but 1296. Next, a power minus m. See here, if it is there minus, we have to, when we convert into plus sign, first we have to write 1 by a power m. See here, let us take a is equals to 2 and m is equals to 3. A power minus m is equals to 1 by a power m no. 2 minus 3. A value 2, m value 3. 2 minus 3. 2 minus 3 is nothing but 1 by 2 by 3. Because 1, if we take 1 by, the minus sign will become plus 2 power 3. 1 by 2 power 3 means 2 into 2 into 2. 1 by 8. See here, next, a power 0 is equals to 1. If we take any number with power 0, the answer is, you blindly write it is 1. Let us take 2 power 0, 1. Or 10,000 power 0 was also 1. 1 lakh power 0 also is also 1. Any number if it is power is 0, the answer is only 1. If it is a power 1 is equals to a. So here 2 power 1 means 2 only. 5 power 1 means 5 only. 100 power 1 also 100 only. 1 lakh power 1 also will 100 only. 1 lakh only. Next, a by b whole power m is equals to a power m by b power m. Let us take a is equals to 2, b is equals to 3 and m is equals to 4. Whatever you want to take values, you take. A by b means 2 by 3. Whole power m means 4. What is the value of m here? 4. Is equals to a power m by b power m. 2 power 4 by 3 power 4. 2 power 4 means 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 3 power 4 means 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. 2 power 4 is nothing but 16. 3 power 4 is nothing but 81. Next we are going to discuss what is surd. You listen carefully. It is very important topics which I am going to explain you that identities, law of exponents and what is surd. What is surd? See here, if 2 root n is nothing but, how can we write like this? If we send root on power side, it will be written like this, n power 1 by 2. If it is 3 means n power 1 by 3. If it is 4 means n power 1 by 4. If it is 5 means n power 1 by 5. See here like this, 2 root n means nothing but n power 1 by 2 now. See here, let us take example 2, same like this only, 2 root 3 is equal to 3 power 1 by 2. Again same example like that only, 3 root 5 is nothing but 5 power 1 by 3. If we take 4 means 5 power 1 by 4. 5 means 5 power 1 by 5, like that. Next, which are surds and which are not surds? Let us take, see, which are not perfect squares are called surds. And see here, let us take example, root 2, root 3, 3 root 9, etc. are called surds. See here, 2 is irrational number and 3 is irrational number. 9 can be written as 3 square. See how it is surds are. See, 3 root 9 is nothing but 9 can be written as 3 square. Root 3 if we went there means into 1 by 3, no. 1 by 3. We cannot cancel it. If it is not cancelling here, so it is a surd. If it is cancel here, it is not a surd. Let us take example, root 3 root 8. 8 can be written as 2 cube. 2 cube, if it root 3 will went here means 1 by 3. It will become 1 by 3. See here, 2 power 3 into 1 by 3, no. 3 cancel. Answer is 2. So here it is cancelling. So it is not the surd. The numbers, the roots which are cancelling, it is not surd. Which are not cancelling are called surds. If you understand my video, please click the like and subscribe my channel. And also click the bell icon. Whenever I keep the videos, you will get the notification. If you want to send my video to your friends, please click the like and also click the share button. Thank you for listening.